Hello everyone, this is DaveTech YouTube channel and welcome to another important video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an important code that is going to help you access lots of favorite applications on your Android TV. So if you've been searching for ways to get certain applications that you want on your Android TV, then this video is for you. So please make sure to watch it right up to the end because I'm going to be showing you everything in this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe and also share this video to help me grow my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Sling TV Box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So this is my Sling TV box I'm currently using, and what I'm going to be showing you here can work on your TV box, it can work on your Android TV, and also it can work on your Fire Stick. So if you're using any of these devices, please just follow the process and go ahead and it's going to work for you. So let's go. Now on your Android TV or Android TV box, the first application you need for this to work is the download application. Now before I go ahead to explain, I want to tell you that on your Android TV, I know that many applications that you want to install, like live TV applications, streaming applications, movie applications, media players, music applications, and lots of them sports applications. And there are lots of these applications that you might not be able to find them on Play Store. So I believe there are many other ways to install these applications, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you here in this video. So if you've been looking for ways to install sport applications, streaming applications, movie applications, live TV, music, and all these categories of applications, this is the video for you. So the first application you need to install in this case is a download application. And if you know the download application, it helps you to access other websites or browsers or apps on the Play Store. So let's start by installing the download application to Android TV. So as you can see, I already have it here, but assuming you don't have it, I'm going to start by showing you how to install it. So for you to install the download application is quite simple. Just go ahead to your browser or your Google, whatever option you are using. I'm using Google. So just go ahead to it and then you log in. So once you're here, after you've logged in, assume you've logged in already. So what you have to do is go to the search bar or search box. So here's my search box here, and you're just going to type the downloader application. So just type downloader application. Now for me to save time, here is the suggestion here because I've already installed it a couple of times. It's been suggested to me. So if you don't have a suggestion, please just quickly type downloader app. Once you click suggestion, you're going to see the options that are going to be available to you. So as you can see on my screen here, this is the downloader app. As I said, please, this is going to work on your Android TV. It's going to work on your Android TV box and it's going to work on your Fire Stick. This is not going to work on a smart TV like Hisense or Samsung with Tizen. So please, this works on Android TV. So if you're having a smart TV like Hisense, first of all, you don't need to watch this video because on a Hisense Vida smart TV, you cannot install third-party applications. So this only works on Android TV devices. So once I go over here, this is the Google for downloader. So I want to install a downloader. Here's it, how it looks like. So it's going to bring you to the screen. And if you've not installed the download application, you're going to see the download button here. But since I've already installed the application, what I'm going to see here is the open. So in your case, please just click install and then give it a minute for the application to install to your Android TV or to your Android TV box. Once it's done installing, all you can do is to open it. Or you can go back home before you open it, or you can just quickly open it from here. So here's a downloader, and as I said, downloader is not a Play Store. It acts like an application where you can quickly search for something by just typing a code. So I don't know what name you can give it, but it's a very important application that you must have on your Android TV, your TV box, or your Fire Stick. So once you are here, what you have to do is to type in this code. Remember, I said this is a code that is going to help you to get or access or install any application that you want. So once you're here, please just go ahead and type in this code 72609. So here's the code 72609. So once you've typed in the code, please just click go or OK. Now it's going to take a second or some seconds to load. So just wait a moment. Okay, so it has loaded and here we are. So on my screen here, these are sources, these are applications gathered by a couple of internet users where you can install some important applications to your Android TV. As a matter of fact, most applications that you need on your Android TV are all found here. These are different stores. There are about 12 of them here, and you can choose to use any one to get what you want. So I'm going to be showing you how to use any of these. So I'm going to be careful what I'm open because I don't want to show some applications that might help YouTube to flag my video. So please, once you come over here, you can take enough time to browse and see what is here and what you want to install on your Android TV. So I'm just going to open this one and then show you how to install an application here. So as I said, please pardon me, I'm not going to be showing you all the applications that are here so that I don't get a problem with my YouTube channel or my YouTube video. But you can bear with me. Once you type in the code 72609, you can go over here on your Android TV and take enough time to browse through them to see what is there. So for this case, I'm just going to launch this, and this is just an example. This is just a sample of all the other stores or how it might look like or what you're going to get from there. So the applications here are divided into categories. As you can see, there are movies applications, there are live TV, there's catch up, there's live sport, there's all in one, there's YouTube. So there are lots of categories, and this is almost the same with all the other stores. So you're going to see something similar to this. Now, before you're here, I want to tell you that before you install any applications here, it is very important for you to use a VPN, because a VPN keeps you secure on the internet, and also it helps you access some locations if you are not allowed to. So please use a VPN. In the description of this video, I have helped you with a suggestion of a VPN that you can choose. So just go ahead and check it out. If it's good for you, use it. If it's not good for you, you can check any other VPN on the internet and get. But make sure to use a VPN once you are here because it's very important. So to help matters, I'm just going to install an example of an application. I'm going to show you how to install. Like for instance, if I want to install a media player, all I have to do is to come over to the option that says media player. Now once I go over to the option, it's going to load like this, and I can scroll through. There are lots of applications here, but since I'm already here, I'm just going to choose one example of an application. Let's see, there's VLC, there's MX player. So I'm just going to choose MX player for instance. So as I click this is how it's going to look like. It's very, very easy to use, not complicated. The download button is here. So I just go ahead and click download, and it starts downloading immediately to our Android TV. So let's give it a moment for it to download, and I'm going to show you how to install it to your Android TV. So once it's done downloading, you're going to get the install button as you can see on my screen here. So what I will do is just click install and then give it a moment for it to install. It's not going to take a lot of time. Just give it a moment and it installs. You see, it is installed already. Now you can go ahead and open the application from here, but our advice that you always delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. Alright, so that's how to install this application. And if I go back to my Android TV box, you will see the application has been installed on Android TV. So you see MX Player, here's it right here. So this is how to install applications from these stores. And as I said, there are lots of them. You can take your time, browse through them, check out what you want, and if you find the application you want, just go ahead and install it to Android TV, and as I've showed you in this video. So if you found this video helpful, please just support my YouTube channel by liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for more videos like this.